Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up your TREZOR Safe 5. To set it up, you'll need to connect it to the computer, then also or to an Android phone also. You can either use a computer or Android phone. iOS isn't supported, so you can't really connect it to an iPhone. You can get the app, but it'll only let you check the balance of your account. So yeah, you won't be able to set it up, unfortunately, on iOS. Then once it's connected, once the TREZOR suite is downloaded, you can see I have it right here. It's named TREZOR suite. You'll see this screen. You need to click on Set up my TREZOR. Then the device is shipped without any firmware, so you'll need to download it. And if you want to use only Bitcoin, then you can get Bitcoin only firmware. But I'll be using the universal one because I'll be using different types of coins. So let's install the universal firmware in my case. You can see it is installing, so I'll just get back to you shortly. Okay, and now it's done. It's restarting the device, as you can see. And now let's go further. Let's continue. Now it'll check the genuinity of your device, if it's genuine and stuff like that. So let's start it. You'll need to tap to continue on the device, then tap to confirm. And now it has checked the authenticity. Let's continue. Now you can learn more about how to use your TREZOR. You can skip it if you already know, but if you don't, then it's worth knowing. So let's tap to continue. Now it'll tell you that you can tap to continue. You can tap the lower half of the screen to continue, or swipe down to get back. Then you'll find menu in the top. You can see in the top right corner there is a menu that you can click on sometimes. Then for important actions, you'll need to hold to confirm. It'll have a haptic feedback and also the visual feedback. Then let's tap to continue. And now the tutorial is completed. Let's continue. And now you can create a new wallet or recovery from a recovery phrase. And I will be creating a new one, but there will also be a video about just one step from the setup, the recover step. But besides that, all the other steps can be followed from this video that you're watching right now. So I'll be creating a new wallet, and you can select either single share backup or multi-share backup. I don't really understand the multi-share backup on TREZOR, so I just always use the single share backup. I find it just the only thing I need. Then on the device, you'll need to tap to continue to agree to terms and conditions that, by the way, can be read on trezor.io/TOS. Now you'll need to hold to confirm to create the wallet. Now it's processing it. And the wallet is created. Let's tap. Now we'll need to back up the recovery phrase, and it is very important that you never lose your recovery phrase, and also that it's for your eyes only. So don't share it with anyone. Don't take a picture of it with your digital device, especially if it has or will have internet access. And also just don't do it in a room with cameras. I will be showing you my recovery phrase, but only because I won't be transferring any money on the account. Besides that, in any other case, the recovery phrase shouldn't be shared with anyone. So let's continue to backup. Then here you have the option, the things that you need to confirm that you understand those instructions. Like the wallet backup lets you recover your funds in case you're of Trezor loss or damage. Never take a picture of your backup or store it anywhere digital. And store your wallet backup securely and never share it with anyone. Now let's tap to continue, and you'll see your words. There will be 20, and you need to write them down on a piece of paper, not in your phone notes, just on a piece of paper, and never digitize it, and write them down in the correct order, because it's also important. So yeah, now I have the first word, then I can tap to continue to the second word. If I want to go back, I can just swipe down, as you can see, and I'll just write all the words down, then I'll get back to you. And after the last word, tap to continue, and then you'll need to confirm by holding that you've written down all 20 words in order, because after that you won't be able to view your words again if you haven't written them down. Now you'll need to do a quick check of your backup to confirm that you really have your words written down. So now it asks me for the word number 2, so I'll just need to select it. Okay, I just, it asks me to do that again. Okay, let's just like go through it, because I know my backup, I just accidentally clicked on the wrong word. So yeah, it's that. Okay, I think I'll need to try again. Okay, so I forgot it each time. After it resets, if I select the wrong word, I'll need to select a different word than I was asked before. So now I have the word number 6, and that's gonna be style. Now number 8, and it's gonna be dictate in my case. Then 18th is gonna be undergo. And yeah, after verifying 3 random words, my wallet backup is completed. Let's tap to continue. Now you can continue to pin, and the pin can be skipped, but I wouldn't skip it because it protects your Trezor from unauthorized physical access. So I will set my pin. Just tap to continue on the device. Now type in your pin. You can see that the tiles in the pin are shuffled, and yes, they will shuffle each time for an additional layer of security. The pin, I believe it can be from 4 up to 50 symbols, so feel free to set it to whatever you feel like. Then you'll need to confirm it. You can see the pin is shuffled again. Now it's processing it. Just wait for 5 seconds and it'll be done. Yes, and now let's tap to continue. Then let's continue in the app. And now you have the option to add different coins. You can activate different coins. So I'll leave Bitcoin activated, Ethereum and Solana. There are also testnet coins, and they don't hold any value, and they are basically only used to just test your device to learn how it works. So you can get that if you want to just learn more about your device. And yeah, I'm just gonna close that. Then there's also Tor. You can enable Tor, and it will route all the traffic through the Tor network, increasing your privacy and security. And it may take some time for Tor to load and establish a connection. I'm gonna leave that unchecked and complete the setup. Now I can change the name of the device or change the home screen picture. I'm gonna go to the suite, and then you can enable view only to check balances after you disconnect your Trezor. So you can still view the balances even if it's disconnected. I'm gonna skip that. feel free to enable it. Then there are lots of different things here, and you can watch videos on it because there will be videos on it. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.